I said, hey yo, it's your boy Tulu back with another mother video, man. Shit, I'm out here today with the car. I got a couple things that I'm gonna be working on today. Um, man, I promise you, if it ain't one thing, it's another one. But that's any project though. But so what I'm gonna be out here doing today is replacing my spark plug wires right here. If you see, like, I think it's on, well, yeah, like on this one. I don't know if y'all can really like see it down there. Let me see if I can pull this sleeve up. Oh, there it is. But yeah, as you see, like from the headers being right there, it's kind of destroyed. Which I should have bought some more of those coating pieces as well. Also on this side, man, I think I got one. Yeah, that first one right there, I already mailed it, man. But I've ordered me some replacement ones, and I'm gonna be putting those on today. And also, my doggone fuel pump right done crapped out on me, so I had to order another one of them. I just recognized, like, when I was trying to start it, like, you know, if anybody who knows that did LS swap in their vehicle or whatever, you know, you put that fuel pump on, and as soon as you switch the key over, you know, it makes a loud noise because it's pushing the gas all the way to the motor. Mine just sounded like it was weak. It was real weak. It wasn't strong as it was like before, or as loud as it was before. Man, you could tell, like, man, it was barely like pushing gas to the, which I think that might be because I need a new gas tank as well. So I'm gonna get into that today. Hopefully that fuel pump does go ahead and come in. If not, I'll just make another video of that, or maybe this might be just a two-part video. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and jump right into it. Let me see if I can, I don't know if I can set y'all up right here. I don't know. It's kind of gonna be in the way. There we go. All right, but besides that, man, how's y'all day been treating y'all? I hope it's going good. I hope it's going good. Just know that, hey, it can, even if it's kind of bad right now, started off at for the worst this morning, it can probably get better within a couple of minutes or an hour, man. Just hold your head up and keep pushing. Just hold your head up and keep pushing. You know, they are not the same color orange as these, are kind of a little darker than what I expected, but man, it is what it is. It is what it is. Let me get me a knife. Alrighty, get this off. Man, these little clippers are trash. Oh man, I gotta order me some more of these, man, because I don't want it happening again. Get some better ones. These, I had to cut them because they were like real long, and like they covered all the whole orange piece, which really doesn't matter, man, but hey, it does to me, kinda. So we're gonna just put that on like so. Oh, who hair is in here? Alright, slide the sleeve over here. Put that back on like such. On there pretty good. Oh man, I don't know how I like that. But it is what it is, man. It is what it is. Alright. Now I hope none of these break off on me, man. I hope it's come off with one piece. There we go. Look at that, man. Damn. Get over here. You try to let the dogs run around and enjoy themselves, and they just want to be extra, man. Good gracious. Alright. Oh no, oh no. Okay. Say, I ain't feel the snap. Feel the snap on that. Now I just wish I would have put this on there first, but it is what it is. And make something shake. If not, we'll be doing this same thing again later on. I don't get it right. So I'm gonna do it right the first time, so I don't have to redo it again. Alright. Gotta get this down there some more, man. Let me see if I can get it up. Man, y'all, I truly appreciate the support that most of y'all been showing me. You know, watching the videos, liking the videos. I truly appreciate the subscribers and everything. Man, that's pretty dope, man. Hopefully one day, you know, I could probably get this channel monetized, and then we could be off and doing better and bigger things on the channel, man. That's all that I'm hoping for. Alright, so this one's gonna be not trying to break it. Look, there's another one. Gracious. See if I can do this one a little different, just so I can make sure it gets down on there, man. I don't want no smoke, man. That to happen again. Y'all probably can't really hear it, but if you heard that little click, that lets you know. I just pulled it back off. There we go. Did it sound there good? Yeah, because man, y'all already know, like when those spark plugs wire aren't connected like that, and or burnt or cut off, you'll have misfires and stuff, man. And from misfires, hey, anything can happen. Anything can happen. Or some of these are still good, but I'm not gonna just replace the ones that are bad just because these are all different colors, man. I don't want that to look crazy. Like a globe. Man, I hope I don't go ahead and get that fuel pump today. Ordered it off eBay. It was supposed to be in here last Friday. Then got a message or whatever from eBay saying that it's gonna be here today. Well, I guess I can't do nothing else but wait on it, huh? Alright, let's go over here to the passenger side. Ooh, man, that one's gonna be rough. Ooh. Man, I need to clean my engine bay and everything back out, man. Gosh, y'all like me, man. You expect for people to be professional with their job and stuff like that. I wish my engine bay would have came back how I set it. Is all I got to say. Alright, let's try to get this back one out, man. I'm gonna start with the hardest one first. Boom. Out of there. Over here so you won't drop in the car. Boom. Out of there, baby. Got it. Now, probably about to be the rough part right here. Getting this joker back on down there at the bottom. But we're gonna get it done. We're gonna get it done. So you can see where the dogs were real quick. Oh man, it's not easy. Alright. Come on, baby. Wasn't that hard. Wasn't that hard. Put too much pressure on myself. Alright, let's get on this clean pack right trunk. There we go. On there, baby. Let's go. Have any of y'all been keeping up with the NBA playoffs here? Man, I know I've been disappointed. Y'all, so my phone overheated just now. I don't know what that was about. But here it is. I did get all of them on that side. I'm about to give her a good rinse down. Spray some water all on her. My hasn't got here yet. Hopefully it'll be here today. And we'll go ahead and get that slapped on. But until then, I might pick back up, and if I'm doing something else out here, and just add it on. But until then, man, y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, man, and just follow the journey, man. Peace.